So my suggestion for doing this job is to make sure you have a plan B in case you turn off the water and you break the valve and you can't replace it right away. So what do I mean by plan B? You have to either have the ability to solder caps onto the hot and cold water so you can use the rest of your house's water. You have to do this at a time where you can call a plumber, a real plumber, if you get stuck, or you have to have access to buying a new part. Okay, so what you're actually doing is you're taking the handle off. You're hopefully going to be able to unscrew the part that sits over the cartridge. Now, a lot of times that's extremely tight. It's been on there for 10 years. It's been on there for 15 years. I actually sprayed some stuff to get, I can't remember what you call it, but I sprayed some stuff in there to loosen it up. Use a pipe wrench, an adjustable pipe wrench. That doesn't clamp down on the little thing that you're turning. It actually just holds it so that you have a lesser chance of squeezing the pipe and causing damage. Take off the trim so you can see into the wall before you start trying to unscrew anything. Like I said, you're putting a lot of torque on the piece that you're trying to unscrew. And if for any reason you're torquing the pipes back there, you'll be able to see it before you do any damage. Go shut off the water in the house. I'm just going to tell you the reason I'm making this video is not because I'm an expert and you're going to watch and follow exactly what I do. Actually, quite the opposite. Never done this before. The reason I'm making this is so that you can see, if you've never done this before, how easy or how difficult it is. Obviously, every situation is different. Shut up the water. I don't think so. Yeah, I'll shut this off too. All right, that's about as far as I get, shutting it off. So I'm not looking to drain the whole house. I turn the water off. See what happens if I open this. This is upstairs. What I should do is open up the valve downstairs and drain it for a little bit. Fight, yeah, fight me. Wow. Alright, so that's how it comes out. There's a big long piece in there. There it is. Wow. Okay. This is what this looks like in here. It's a rusted Phillips. So I'll unscrew that. We'll see what's in there. Okay. Look at this. Right, here's where we are right there. I could give this a little spray. This has got to be taken off right here. All right, let's give it a try. So I'll just comment for a second. This is where you take the trim piece off. Do not do this. Notice I can't see what I'm doing inside the wall. Oh, that's not good. Again, it was fine, but I had no idea because I couldn't see in there. Not good. Let me take this off. Oh, here's where I'm taking off the trim piece so I can look into the wall and see.
It turns out I wasn't actually bending the pipe. It was just those outer pieces of gold colored thing that were spinning a little bit. So I actually panicked more than I needed to, but better safe than sorry, right? I'm just going to spray a drop of penetrating oil here to help get that thing off. Actually worked really well.
I don't want to twist this back here. Okay.
Another issue is, unless you've done this before, I had no idea what comes apart and what to replace.
I think this white thing comes out.
That was just dumb luck right there.
Maybe that doesn't come off. Maybe it's just this. All right, so it's just a ball, I guess. How stupid, though. There it was. So that's what comes off. I'm gonna look in here. Boy, plastic. So inside of here, there are those washers and those rubber grommets. So let me see what I can do.
So there are a lot of good videos that show how to pull these things out. Mine is not one of them. This is a locking hemostat that I took from my dental office that I use in my house now.
That's what it looks like. A spring and a rubber thing. I guess the spring is inside. Yeah, the spring is inside the rubber thing. See if I get the other one out. Another one, spring and rubber thing.
So since I had it apart, I figured I might as well just try to clean and lubricate everything. If that doesn't work, I'll buy replacement parts. So all I did was clean off the rubber parts with some acetone that I keep in the house. The 2 rubber grommets from inside that had the springs in them and the plastic ball. I hit those with acetone. Then I lubricated them with a lot of silicone grease, food grade silicone grease. And then I reassembled everything, which I'm about to do here.
So there's grease on here. This is not going to be easy. Yes, it is. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. One. That's stuck on my hand. Let's see if I can get this one in here.
A little trick I saw the pros doing is if you put enough grease on it, it'll stick to your finger. And you can just push it into the hole. if you notice that little indentation or notch at the 3 o'clock position on the valve, there is a male of that exact same notch on the piece of plastic that fits in there. So that's how you know how to line it up.
I don't know if that matters, actually.
You could see the notch on the right-hand side there. I got lucky right there.
Maybe this goes right in there. Yeah, there we go. There's a little notch there. Okay. So we'll put on that first. I'll put a little lubricant so I can get this all out if I need to. That's tight enough. Tight enough. I don't like this one bit. I'm gonna have to put silicone in there. That's not good. I'm gonna have to look and see how it was before. Crazy. I'll make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, well, let me turn the water back on and see what happens. Ready? I'm not putting this back on until I'm sure it works. All right, here goes nothing. It's cold. It's hot. And there's off.
Still air in the lines. Hot. Cold. Well, all right. I have to do something in here. I don't like the way this is. I'm going to put some silicone in there. I'll unscrew it a little bit, put some silicone in. But that's it. It's basically fixed. It's not leaking. Okay, that should do it.